Kia ora koutou, welcome to this final mechanics video in which we introduce power. Power is simply the rate at which work is done. So anytime that we have a rate, we just need to divide whatever it is that we're talking about by time, and that will give us the rate at which it's occurring. So for example, speed is effectively the rate at which distance is being covered. So to work out the speed or velocity of something, we take the velocity and divide that by time. So for power, we are wanting to know the rate at which work is being done. So power, which is a capital P, equals the work divided by the time it takes to do that work. Power, so just be careful with this. P, this is the second capital P that you will come across in this topic. So this stands for power. P equals power. There is one other value that this could mean, and that is pressure. So you might see a capital P which refers to pressure, which would be force over area. So just make sure that if you see this capital P, you know it means power. Power is measured in watts, W-A-T-T-S. So if you, when you come up with your answer, you can just put watts, or it should be a capital W for watts. We've also got in this equation work, which we just worked out in the last video, it's measured in joules. T is time, which is measured in seconds. So we'll look at an example. We'll first of all work out the work. Excuse me, I'm using work far too often in this example. So we've got a person of 70 kilograms who runs up a stairwell which is 4 meters high. What is the work that would be exerted by this person running up the stairs? Well, it would be work equals force times distance. So the force is 70 times 10, because this is the mass. So to convert this to the weight force, we need to times it by 10. So we've got 700 times 4, which will equal 2,800. 2,800 joules running out of space. So how would we calculate the power exerted by the person? So we just need to know the time that it takes. So if this took the person 2 seconds to run up the stairs, if it was 2 seconds, then power would equal, power would equal the work divided by the time. So it would be 2,800 divided by the time, which in this case is 2. So the power would be 1,400 watts. If the time taken was, let's say, 4. So the time taken was 4 seconds. Power is the work divided by the time, so 2,800 divided by 4, so it would equal 700 watts. So it's relatively explanatory, self-explanatory, this one. Power is just the rate at which work is done. Common exam questions will talk about which, it'll say something takes longer to achieve the same amount of work, how much power will be required, and you would say there's less power required because of the greater amount of time over which the work occurs, and then you just show this equation. That's effectively it. So thanks very much for watching this series. Very happy that we've managed to complete a series for you to be able to go back and revise any particular part of the mechanics topic that you need. Thanks very much for watching through this far. All the best for the mechanics topic. Like and subscribe for more videos. We'll be getting into, hopefully, biology. We'll do the whole topic there. Thanks very much.